I'm going to be looking for my gingerbread shoe. So let's go. Under my bed is where I'm looking right now. I know you guys can't see, but I can see clearly. Because this is actually a camera and accidentally lost them in my house room. This is my sister's bed. This is my bed. They're different, to say. Oh, and I have these shoes. They're my gingerbread shoes, and they look like this. And they're mine. And I'm gonna close the box up and give it to my mom, and you'll see her in my video. So I'm heading in the hallway to her room. Mommy. Hmm? Oh.
Take it out!
Oh. Hmm? Okay. Huh?
She was in bed.
As you know, that was loud. And back in my room. I don't know what I wrote, but ooh. I'm just going headed to my sister's bed because I have to put this stuff on her bed. And I got some yum yum, and I can't show you where it's from. That's what I know. I got some of this. If you don't know what it is, it's like